All right, folks, today we have something pretty cool. This is a 48-inch Hunter original in polished brass with lovely C brackets and this very nice genuine Hunter light kit. Everything is Hunter down to the glass. Pretty cool. I actually got 3 of these on a Facebook Marketplace find. Unfortunately, the seller did not know that these are oil bath fans, so when I received them, the motors were all covered in oil. So that made cleaning them a rather large and time-consuming task. And to be totally honest, I am not super thrilled with how these came out. You still see a lot of smudges and tarnishing on the brass, especially here. I have no idea what happened there, and I also had to have the down rods cut at a machine shop. But it is a cool looking fan, and the 48 originals are not exactly common, so it was very nice to receive 3 of these. This is a 1989 fan. They're all 1989 fans, so they do have the rather cheap printed blades. They're oak on this side, and I have the walnut side facing down because walnut does look a little nicer. So yeah, it's not as nice as I thought it was going to be, but still a cool fan. You know, like I said, they're not that common, so it's nice to have them. This particular unit is going to Brian Peterson at some point. He has shown a great interest in the 48 originals, so kind of making this video to 1, show it off before I sell it, and 2, to show Brian what he's getting. So we'll go ahead and start it up here. Here's your light kit. Brian, if you're watching, I'm not going to include the bulbs, but everything else you see is coming with it. I am running it dry right now. There's no oil in it, but I did oil the bearing before I put everything back together. I completely disassembled it too, so the motor is all nice and clean on the inside. Low speed's pretty nice. Does have kind of a hum, but it's probably because there's no oil in it. A little bit of a wobble, but I did balance the blades as best I could. And the canopy's also not flush with the ceiling joist either, so it's probably another factor as to why it's wobbling so much. And you know, I did hear a lot of people saying how these fans aren't really impressive air movers, and you know, I would tend to agree with that. The 42-inch and the 48-inch, it's nothing all that impressive. It's certainly no 52-inch motor. But essentially what this fan is, it's just a 42-inch fan with bigger blades. So, but it is very nice looking. I'm sure it would do just fine in a smaller room. I do very much like the light kit on it as well. And spin down's not going to be very long because, like I said, there's no oil in the reservoir. It's actually spinning down a lot slower than I thought it would. It's a good sign. I didn't bother replacing the bearing because, you know, I looked at it, it's perfect. Just cleaned it up a little bit. All right, and there you have it. 48-inch Hunter Original polished brass. Thank you for watching.